Okay, so we are going to show you how to loosen up a stiff Inokim light steering column. Right, so this is something we removed the fork, the headset, right, from the rest of the steering column. Now this is when you open up, the folding mat, which comes apart after you remove the screws here, right? This is what's happening on the inside. Okay, there's a bearing here and there's a bearing here. This nut that holds the bearing together, it is over tightened, right? It's clamping down too hard onto the folding frame, right? And that's why you get a lot of stiffness, right? Sometimes it's like a crunching stiffness. So what you need to do, right, is you need to put you need to take it apart, loosen this nut up, right? Just loosen it, right? Put it back together, right? Without screwing, don't screw it back, and tighten it. Hand tight would do, really. Hand tight would do, because there's going to be something else to screw it tight from the top. Okay, so hand tight here, right? And to test for the true tightness, just make sure that there's no stiffness when you turn the fork here, right? So once you get the right smoothness in terms of the steering, right, you can put this screw or this nut back into the fork or headset. That's it.